Every day, your washing machine keeps life turning. But have you ever wondered what's inside? You'll find plastic innovation replacing traditional materials. Flame retardant and safe. Tough, even at over 2,000 revolutions per minute. Plastic is light and makes transportation cheaper, bringing that sleek design that consumers love. SABIC True Circle means components can be recycled or created from recycled materials, making each wash even more sustainable. No matter what the challenge, our innovations are light, compliant, and consistent. That's why manufacturers choose SABIC.